This video will explain how to book flight tickets using the Paytm app. What is Paytm Flight Booking? Paytm is a mobile app that allows you to do many things. For example, send money, pay bills, recharge mobile, and book travel tickets. Inside the app, you will find a flight section. This section helps you to search and book air tickets easily. Now we will see how to book a flight ticket. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. First install the Paytm app, open the app and log in using your mobile number. Step 2. Go to Flights. On the home screen, find the Flights option. Tap on it. Now the app opens the flight booking page. Step 3. Enter travel details. Now you must fill some basic travel information. You need to enter from city, your departure city, to city, your destination city, travel date, when you want to fly, number of passengers. This process is called flight search. The app searches for available flights based on your details. Real life example. Suppose you want Bangalore to Delhi on 10th April for one passenger. You enter those details in the search form. Step 4. Click Search Flights. Now tap the search button. Paytm will show all available flights for your travel details. Step 5. Choose a flight. You will now see different flight options. The app shows airline name, departure time, arrival time, ticket price, and travel duration. For example, Indigo, Air India. Before selecting a flight, compare price, timing, and travel duration. Real life example. You may choose a cheaper morning flight or a faster evening flight. Choose the option that matches your budget and timing. Step 6. Enter passenger details. Now you must enter passenger information carefully. You need to fill full name, age, gender, mobile number, and email address. Passenger details must match your ID proof. If the name is wrong, you may face problems at the airport. Step 7. Select seats. Some airlines allow seat selection. You can choose window seat, middle seat, and aisle seat. Some seats may cost extra money. Seat selection is optional. Step 8. Apply offers or cashback. Before payment, Paytm may show discount coupons and cashback offers. These offers help you to save money on flight tickets. Always check available offers before making payment. Step 9. Make payment. Now you reach the final payment step. You can pay using UPI, debit card, credit card, and Paytm wallet. Once payment is successful, your booking gets confirmed. Step 10. Get ticket confirmation. After payment, you receive a confirmation message. You also receive an e-ticket. An e-ticket means an electronic ticket. You do not need a printed ticket. Real life example. At the airport, show your ID proof and show your e-ticket on your phone. That is enough for verification. Now we will see the real life scenario. Imagine you want to visit your family. You open Paytm, search Bangalore to Mumbai, compare flight options, choose a flight within your budget, enter passenger details, pay using UPI, receive your ticket instantly. Now your flight booking is complete. Important tips for beginners. Check date and time carefully. Enter your correct name as per Aadhaar or ID proof. Compare multiple flights before booking. Book early for lower price. Keep your phone charged to show your e-ticket at the airport.